Hi. In this demonstration, we're going to work on exercise 9.1. On April 8th, we have some credit card sales where we receive cash. Now, we need to record the receipt of the cash with a debit, we need to record the credit card expense, and we need to record the sales. There's the dollar amount involved, and I've typed this off camera just to save some time in the demo. And what you'll need to calculate on this one is how did we come up with the 368? And that's how we did it. We have to take the credit card sales less the 4% fee. The net amount of the fee goes to someone else, and we receive the cash. Now, on this part of the transaction, this is the part that most students forget to record, which is we're with a perpetual system, and we need to record the cost of sales on that. And there's the debits and the credits for that transaction. Now let's look at the transaction on April 12th. In this case, we need to record credit card sales less a 2.5% fee, but we're not receiving the cash right away. Instead, we're receiving a receivable from Continental Bank. So we're going to need to debit accounts receivable. We're going to also record the credit card expense, debit the credit card expense, and credit the sales. And the tricky part here will be determining the credit card expense. So let me cut and paste that in now. And there you see that we had sales of $5,400 less a 2.5% fee that goes to credit card expense, and the remaining debit is a receivable to us of $5,265, which represents the $5,400 less the $135. Now again, we need to record the cost of goods sold and a credit to merchandise inventory because we are on a perpetual inventory system, and in this case that dollar amount is $3,500. So I'll just do that right there. Now the last part of this exercise is the receipt of cash, in which case we need to debit cash and credit accounts receivable from Continental Bank. And let's tab that in so it looks right. And the dollar amount is that $52.65. I'm simply going to reference it from above and reference it this way. And it's probably a good idea if we list what that's for, and rather than typing it, I'll just cut and paste it in. And that is the solution to exercise 9.1. Thank you, everyone.